Well, hey everybody, Roadtrip Dave here coming at you from Hersheypark in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We're gonna check out a whole bunch of different rides, explore a little bit of the park. So come with me, let's go. Come on. Yes, my roadies, let's get started on riding the Twin Turnpike Classic Cars ride at Hersheypark, which is located at the Kissing Tower Hill section of the park. This is a classic go-kart ride for all ages, although you have to be at least 48 inches to ride by yourself. You actually can have a choice of two different types of rides, where you can drive a Model T touring car or a classic race car very similar to Disney World's Speedway racers. If you have children, I highly recommend taking them to Twin Turnpike. My kids loved it. The next ride we're going to enjoy is the Kissing Tower, located next to Twin Turnpike. This tower rises to 250 feet and rotates, showing panoramic views of Hersheypark and the town of Hershey itself, through windows shaped like Hershey's Kisses. While we go through the line queue to the Kissing Tower, you know the drill. Don't forget to chokeslam that like button, leave a comment and share this video, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Follow me on all my social media links listed in the description below, and if you want, you can support me on PayPal, but it is never required. Hello.
Today our cabin will climb 250 feet into the air, making 3 rotations during the ride. Taking music shipments Pennsylvania and listen to the story of how it came to be. Our founder, Milton S. Hershey, opened his chocolate factory in the middle of Terry Township in 1905. He chose this location due to the convenient access to fresh milk from local farmers. Today, his factory
Yeah, I see that.
as Hershey, the sweetest place on earth. With Milton Hershey's support, houses, businesses, and entertainment came into existence, creating the town we know today. Let's take a closer look at some of the attractions inspired by our founder. Hersheypark was originally created as a leisure ranch for employees of Hershey's Chocolate Factory. Today, our family theme park has more than 70 rides and attractions.
We are going for the hat trick, Dave's Roadies. This third ride is a roller coaster known as Wildcat. It is a wooden roller coaster located in the Midway America section of Hersheypark, with maximum speeds of about 45 miles per hour. The minimum height requirement for this ride is 48 inches, and while it looks kind of tame, this ride definitely has a bite to it. Here is the full point of view ride of Wildcat.
All right, here we go. Holy cow.
Wildcat strikes again.
Yes.
Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming your way, my roadies. Until next time, laters.